there's the rotation.
At 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Schuyler County, including the following locations.
Further this way.
Warning for southeastern Hancock County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for west central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for southern McDonough County. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mendon for 8 miles southwest of Macomb. Northeast at 40 miles an hour. 5 p.m. New Philadelphia around.
Cars headed in this direction.
To repeat, a tornado is on the ground.
I'm basically retreating back from the storm.
Repeating,
Headed back into Vermont now. Tornado warning is effective in this area, so it's going to hit too close to home if there's a tornado that gets on the ground here. There has been one on the initial warning that was by trained spotters.
Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire.
Driving by the mansion, I'm making the decision to go outside of the village and watch things from there. Hopefully the village and the mansion are spared, but there it is right now in case something happens. Alright, out of those areas. Whew. Oh, man. Hey, you guys fellow spotters too?
Take cover now.
Oh, I got
intense back.
Yeah, I did. Were you coming from that direction too?
Yeah, we were right by industry right as it got called in. We couldn't see it.
Right. Yeah, I was driving through about 3 minutes ago. It's going through Vermont. And I'm like, okay, I'm hauling ass here, going 80 to get to the outer edge of the warning band.
Table Grove. Spotters also reported baseball-sized hail in Table Grove. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Illinois. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXG92 in the Gulf. The current time is 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Fulton, and Schuyler. Tornado alert counties at 7:14 p.m.
A lot of scud right there. Some low-hanging clouds there. Not too ominous. But the direction of it and the spinning, we're kind of... What we look for is the spin up and the tightening of a funnel.
Damage at 7:14 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over I-80 or 8 miles west of Lewistown, moving east at 50 miles an hour.
All right.
The storm has a history of producing tornadoes and baseball-sized hail. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball-sized hail. Flying debris will be seen.
Yeah, same to you.
Oh, we'll try.
Yeah.
The following counties.
Oh yeah, power pole bent over right here. Fire truck. Looks like I have to turn around. Oh, I see. Good reason there's a power pull down. Alrighty, another way. Gotta find another way. My village town is in the dark this evening. Power outage. I guess good news is I'm not seeing flashing lights, emergency vehicles, and not really any evidence over at this side of the village. It's only so small. I mean, it's only so big. I mean, people's garbage cans are upright still on here, whether they just brought it back out after the storm, which is possible. But they're usually littering the whole roadway knocked over. If we had even 50 mile an hour wind gusts. Somebody's sitting out at the Lincoln Monument, or memorial thing. So, on the circle. I'm just literally a couple blocks from my mansion. Nerve-wracking one, 'cause intensified right when it was like too close for comfort, let's just say. My neighbors look good. It's good, no emergency vehicles out in the front of my mansion. That's good. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, like full moon is out too, which is kind of a contrast. Well, I'll have to get out and inspect to know better. So far, it looks intact. It's here. Garage is here too. Garage would have been weaker. Siding would have been ripped off. Okay. I'm home, and just as the storm hit, yep. Power went out, clock stopped at, and this is a little bit fast. They were pretty right on, about 7:04, 7:05, round up. Time stood still.